Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start by opening your profile edit view. Click the pencil icon by your top card, then scroll to the background area where Education lives. Once you see the Education heading, expand it so individual entries are visible. Make sure you're editing the correct profile if you manage multiple accounts. If you're on mobile, tap View Profile, then Edit. On desktop, use the profile pencil. This initial step puts you directly into the fields you'll remove. You should now select the specific school or degree you want gone. Click the three dots or the pencil on that entry and choose Delete or Remove. Confirm when prompted. If LinkedIn shows Edit Only, clear all fields in that entry and then save. The platform treats empty entries differently. Once removed, refresh your profile to ensure it no longer displays. Remember why you're removing it so you don't accidentally delete a needed credential. Consider archiving details elsewhere. Finish by viewing your profile as others see it. Click More, then View Profile as Public to verify the education is gone. If the entry still appears, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, or force refresh the page. Sometimes changes take a few minutes to propagate. If it persists after 24 hours, use LinkedIn Help to report a stuck cache or data issue. One troubleshooting tip: check for duplicate accounts or profile imports that might be repopulating the entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.